I am Safia from Kashmir. If I have missed Asr Salah and now it's time for Maghrib Salah, that time what Salah I have to offer first? And is it mandatory to offer Salah in sequence? I mean, if missed, which to offer first? Sister Safia from Kashmir asked the question that if she has missed her Asr Salah and it's time for Maghrib Salah, is it required that she should offer the Salah in sequence, that first Asr, then Maghrib, or can she offer Maghrib first and then the Asr? What should she do? As far as the Farz Salah are concerned, it should be in the order. You cannot change the order. If, hypothetically, you have missed a Salah of Asr and the Maghrib time is due, you have to first offer Asr, then you have to offer Maghrib. As far as the Sunnah are concerned, it's not compulsory you have to follow the sequence. If you have missed a Sunnah of the Dhuhr, and you can very well offer the Sunnah of the Maghrib and later on offer the Sunnah of the Dhuhr which you have missed. It is permitted. But as far as the Farz is concerned, the Farz Salah you have to say it in the sequence. If you missed the Asr Salah and if the time for Maghrib has come, first you have to offer Maghrib. So the moment you hear the Azan, there are a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes between the Maghrib Azan and the Maghrib Salah. So if you enter the mosque, if the Azan of Maghrib is over and if you have not offered your Asr Salah, then first you offer Asr Salah. And when you finish your Asr Salah, by the time the Aqama of Maghrib starts, you can join for the Maghrib Salah. Order is compulsory. What if you enter the mosque and the Maghrib Salah has already started, the Jamaat has started, and you have not offered your Asr? What should you do? But naturally, when there is a Jamaat, you cannot make another Jamaat. If the Jamaat of Maghrib has started, you have to join the Jamaat of Maghrib and make the Niyah of Asr. Now, when you make the Niyah of Asr, though you know very well that the Imam is going to offer 3 rakat, when the Imam offers the Maghrib Salah, you pray with it. After he says the Salam, you stand up and you complete your 4th rakat of Asr. Because you have done the Niyah of Asr. So when the Imam finishes his 3 rakat of Maghrib, when the Imam says Salam, you don't say Salam, you get up and you offer 1 more rakah to complete the 4 rakat. That means you have finished your Asr, and then if there is a second Jamaat in the mosque, those who come late, you can join that Jamaat and pray the Maghrib. Or if there is no other Jamaat and if you have, there's only one Jamaat and you prayed your Asr along with the Maghrib of that mosque, if there's no Jamaat, then you pray alone. But sequence is very important as far as the Farz Salah is concerned. Hope that answers the question.